Hey guys, it's your girl Nyasia Monae. Welcome back to my channel. We're doing a get ready with me. Watch me install this HD lace closure wig from Beauty Forever. Oh, this video is not sponsored, so this will be my honest opinion on this wig. Soft, effortless curls, and yeah, this is your first time on my channel. What's up, boo? Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join this family. I promise you won't regret it. And yeah, so let's get right on into this video. Alright, so we're doing a get ready with me. I'm going to be installing my wig today. This is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig from Beauty Forever. I did not customize this wig at all. It's not bleached. The knots are not bleached, anything like that. You can bleach the knots if you want to. I probably will do that in the future. I just didn't do it right now because I don't have time to mess up this wig because I need to wear it for something important. So I just didn't fool around with bleaching the knots, but I'll probably do it in the future. But it's not needed because it's a HD lace. I already cut the lace on the wig, so I have Got To Be Free spray that I'm going to use to install it, and then all I need is a scarf, which I got this from Beauty Forever as well. It came with my wig to tie everything down. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and put her on my head and just have it back, that way I can move her up to where I need her to be. So my mirror's down here if y'all are wondering what I'm looking at. So with this, I kind of gotta move fast because I don't be wanting it to go down on my forehead. This looks like a headband wig. I find this method to be the easiest a lot. Also, for people who don't normally lay their own wig, the Got To Be Free spray method is the easiest, and it's the easiest way to melt your lace into your forehead. Now, I personally like closure wigs, like I said, because I'm not a professional. I do plan on trying a frontal wig, so hopefully Beauty Forever sees this video and they want to work with your girl. I will definitely try a frontal wig to install. I kind of like to pin these parts back so I can get to my lace and not have hair stuck on the lace. Okay, so my camera cut off because of my memory card, but we're back. So I just kind of pull my wig up forward. Okay, so now I'm just letting that Got To Be Free spray kind of melt into my hair. And now we're gonna start on my makeup. So I don't know if I officially said this on my channel, but Happy New Year, guys. I know it's like the end of January or whatever, but Happy New Year, guys. So my New Year was pretty chill. I didn't really do anything, and now we're fast forwarding. My birthday is coming up in a couple weeks. On February 9th. It is Aquarius season, as y'all saw by the coffee mug. It is Aquarius season, y'all. So my brows are done. I think they're as even as they're gonna get. I don't know how long this has been on my head, because before I like to do like the rest of my face makeup, I don't want to be spraying Got To Be spray and messing up my face makeup, my face, to save me some more time. Okay, so what I'm going to talk about is 2021 a little bit, and my plans and things I'm expecting for this year. As far as like my YouTube standpoint, I definitely want to go harder. I want to post more. I want to come up with some different content. I have a lot of stuff that I have planned for the month of February, and sometimes I'm just like stuck because there are so many videos out there, and the goal is to make your video stand out. And sometimes I feel like if my video is just not it, I just don't even post it. And I gotta stop doing that, because what I might not think is perfect, someone else might think is perfect. I'm investing a lot of time and effort into my channel more. I think that's when I'll kind of step it up a little bit more, I think. But for me to be a very, very, very small YouTuber. I feel like I have very professional type setups. I try to give you guys an aesthetic. I try to make the quality look as great as possible, and whatever the case may be. Like, if only y'all knew like what I go through, the videos that I have up, what I went through to get those videos done, y'all would be like crazy. Like, sometimes I film those and it takes me forever to film, or sometimes I film them really quick. It really just depends on my mood that day. And sometimes when I'm not in the mood to film, I won't film because it'll come across on camera that way as well. Like, for instance, this particular video I filmed so many times, I just deleted all the footage from it because I just wasn't happy with it. It didn't look good, and I feel like it could have been better. Wrap off and see what we're working with, and see if I need to do another melt of it. I just gotta fix around it, and I'm gonna put it back on, obviously, because I'm doing my makeup. Pull up those little hairs that get stuck with the got to be. And it doesn't pull the wig up or anything like that. As long as you're careful, it won't pull your wig up, because you do not want to snatch it up. The wig is on now, as y'all can see to it, but I'm just not a professional, and this is like a good everyday wig for me, so I don't want to screw it up trying to add baby hairs and I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the lot of body on, so that this can now mold around the edges of the hair, and this allows the hair to move a little bit more too, because sometimes that got to be does really freeze it, and then it can be hard. Make sure when you put this on though that the got to be is dry, because if not, sometimes it can make your lace lift up as well. So I have this tie back on, so my hair's gonna be out of my way. While I do the rest of my face. So we're gonna go on with some concealer. So yeah, I just have a lot of plans and stuff for my channel, and I feel like sometimes it can be discouraging being a smaller YouTuber, because it's hard to tell what people want to see from you and what videos are going to do well, because right now on my channel, my fashion videos do a lot better than any of my other videos. So if y'all want to see my fashion videos, I'll put some cards. There'll probably be cards up at the top of the screen on this side. I think it's this side, yeah. This side when you guys are watching. So if y'all want to check out some of the fashion content that I am talking about, please go on my channel and go check it out. I promise you, you'll love it. A lot of people loved my thrift with me video, which I'll put in the cards right here. look on camera to y'all, but my wig's on. I have these effortless curls. If you guys want a tutorial on this, it's really simple, but I really love these, and I like the way they frame my face, and they're just soft, they're really effortless, and you can put hairspray in them if you want them to hold a little bit better throughout the day. This hair is on the softer side, so the curls are gonna fall naturally, but I don't mind it. Alright, so that concludes. I changed my shirt and got ready. I just have on the Zara bodysuit and a simple gold chain. But yeah, so that completes this look. You guys enjoyed, and you know, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as give this video a thumbs up. Hit that post notification bell so you do not miss my future uploads, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.
Baby, love again, notice I can stand you up. I don't wanna talk about it. No one understands me, no. You're the only one who can fight it, too, darling. I don't even need to lie to you, babe. 'Cause it's love.